Hi guys, it's Adam with WebStarts.com. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can add a link to a Zoom meeting to your website. Zoom, of course, is the popular way to do an online or remote meeting so that you can access your webcam and the person you're meeting with can access theirs as well, so everybody can see each other. And this is super popular in the classroom environment and business right now. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to add a link just like this one to your website that when somebody clicks on it, they can just enter their meeting ID or their personal link name and join an existing meeting. All right, before we get started, I want to invite you to tap the subscribe button and also ring the notification bell. That way you'll be the first to find out when I release a new video on web design, internet marketing, and search engine optimization topics like that, if they interest you. Okay, here I have a WebStarts website. So I'm going to show you how to do this in WebStarts. And so the first step is to go to webstarts.com. Once you're at webstarts.com, you're going to click Get Started. It's free. That's going to take you to the next step where you can choose a design. All of the templates that you see displayed here are 100% customizable and they can be changed at any time. Some of the reasons I like to use WebStarts is because the drag and drop designer makes it very easy to design a unique website that conveys the value of your products and your services. And then, of course, WebStarts is very flexible and it's very feature rich, so it has a lot of capability. All right, if you're selecting a template, you can select it by a category. You can see here you have business, online store, photography, so on and so forth. But once again, you can select whatever one looks good to you and you can change it later if you want. You can click on select and go to the next step, and that's where you'll be asked for your normal information like your name, email address, and password to continue with the sign up process. All right, I already have an existing account, so I'm going to log into that by closing out here and just clicking the login button and then entering my email address and password. I'm going to dismiss that message. The first screen you see once you have created a WebStarts account is called the dashboard view. In the dashboard, you can find a thumbnail to your website, a link to where people can find your website online or your web address. Along with these application panels, these are the apps that are enabled for your website. You can enable the ones that are gray, the ones that are blue, indicate that they're already enabled. If you're ready to begin editing your website, click Edit Site, and this opens up the page editor view. Cancel out of that. Okay, you can create a new page by clicking here. You can select an existing page if you want to edit another page of your website right there. And you can add things to your page by selecting Add. Those are some of the basic features. Everything on WebStarts is drag and drop, so you just drag and drop whatever you want, wherever you want it to appear. And everything above this dotted line right here is called the header section, and anything you put in the header will appear in the same place on each page. That way you don't have to tediously go through each page, making sure things like your menu and your logo are in the exact same spot on every page of your website. Okay, let's show you how to add the Zoom link to your website. So you can add a Zoom link any way that you want just by creating a link. And the link to Zoom is zoom.us/meeting or whatever that is. I'll show you in just a second. But you can create a link from anything in WebStarts. So just click on any element and then you can create a link from that element, and then that can be the link, of course, to your Zoom meeting. But for this example, we're going to be clicking on the social bar and double click on it to change the contents. I'm going to click to add the Zoom icon to it. So I click Add, I find Zoom, and then you can see here that I need to enter the Zoom URL, which can be anything. So it's zoom.us/join. That's what I was referring to a minute ago. That's the URL you'll have to enter. When you're ready, click Update. Of course, you wanted to create links to all these other social networks. You can do that as well. When you're ready to preview this, just click Save. And then you can view it on your live website just by clicking the View Site button. And then you can see if you click the Zoom icon, it's going to open up the Zoom meeting join page where you can enter the meeting ID. Okay, hope you found that video to be helpful. Be sure to visit webstarts.com to create your very own free website. Also see more videos like this.